Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take partial screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. So the first thing that we need to do is take the screenshot in a normal way. So you can of course use the power button and volume down button together at the same time. You can simply press them. Here we go. Or you can just use your palm gesture, so you can swipe like this. There we go. And of course you can also use the take screenshot button in the quick access, which is over here. However, you will need to edit the full quick access in order to find this option in available buttons, and then you will need to add it. Nevertheless, let's actually take the screenshot. So once you take the screenshot, then of course at the bottom we have the info, and we have to press this button over here, this first one, in order to edit the screenshot. And now we can drag the corners in order to resize our screenshot. There we go. And by doing so we will capture only what we need to capture, what we want to capture. After that we can press this arrow button in order to save our screenshot. And there we go. If we open the notification, then we should be able to quickly find the screenshot saved notification. We can tap on it in order to open it and see how it looks like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.